begin? Can we do it in Spanish?
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
All right, thank you, Sadie. So Sadie, this shows 2 times 15. Do you know what that expression is equal to? Can we turn it into an equation? I'm glad that you know what that would be equal to. Joseph?
You could, wait, what was the question again?
Can somebody remind Joseph of the question? Blaine?
How could you explain 2 times 15 visually?
That was the original. And so we have 2 times 15, 2 roots of 15, like Sadie said, correct, Sadie? Okay, and then this final piece, what is it equal to? How do we turn it into an equation now?
You just do 15 times 2, and then that would equal 30.
30. So if we counted up those dots, it would equal 30 dots. Okay, thank you, Sadie. Did anybody, and thank you, Joseph. Did anyone else have a different way? Because I saw other ways to show visually 2 times 15. Okay, I see that. I like how Lauren's still using the symbols there to show she still has 2 ways. Bailey still has 2 ways. Kevin, you've got one. Awesome. I see 2 beneath them. Hey, Zeus, will you please explain another way to show this?
That is 2 times 10.
Okay. 2 times 10. So, Jesus, I hear you say 2 times 10. Okay.
And then I do 20. Then I do 2 times 5, and then that's 10. Then I add 30 plus 10, and then that's 30.
So you took 20 plus 10, and that equals
30.
30. So 30 equals the 20 plus 10. Okay. Is there agreement? Does anybody have a thought? Because Blaine mentioned earlier. Blaine, will you remind us again? What are we looking for today in our number talk?
The answer, how to visually get the answer of 2 times 15.
2 times 15, how to visually get the answer. So I recorded this, what you explained, Jesus. Did you have a way that you can put all this into a visual? And we talked earlier, Kevin, will you remind us, what was the word that you used when you and Omar and I talked about visual?
Visual,
Picture. So making a picture. Jesus, will you be able to explain this a little bit more on how can we turn it into a visual picture? 20 dots. Okay, so I'm just going to draw 20 dots. You guys ready? You can do it in Spanish all the way to 20? Okay, listos? Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 dots. Is that what you were thinking?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then 10 more.
And then 10 more? So, where should I put the 10?
Like next to it.
Next to it? ¿Listos en español? Okay. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, 10. Like that?
Yeah. And then I add up those like in the middle of it.
And you add them up? And what do you get? 30. 30. So if we counted those up, would it be equal to 30? Anybody agree or maybe disagree with Jesus' visual? See some agreement? Ethan, why do you agree with Jesus' visual? Blaine, if you want to remember, just raise your hand because if you have a disagreement. Keep going, Ethan.
So I know 2 times 10 equals 20 and 2 times 5 equals 10. The answer to the
Okay, so this is, if I wrote it, this was 2 times 10 equals 20. And then this was 2 you explain the picture? Great job. There is one visual that I'm still wondering about, because I see the pictures. Is there a way that we could do this other way? That maybe keeps it even more efficient or organized. These are definite visuals. Thanks, Afra.
The standard algorithm, so you put 15 on top and then 2 on the bottom.
Okay, so Safra says the standard algorithm, so I put 15 on top and 2 on the bottom.
And then you multiply 5 times 2, it should be 10. So you put the 0 down on the bottom.
So the 0 down on the bottom.
And then you put the 1 or the 10 up to the next.
Right here. So 1, which is a 10. I hear you saying that's a 10. Okay.
And then you multiply 1 times 2, which is 2, and then you add the 2 plus that 1, which should equal 3.
So 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3.
And then you put it down next to 0, and you get 30.
And you have 30. So Safra showed us the standard algorithm. Correct? I agree with you, Safra.
I do agree with you, but I also have something.
Blaine for raising your hand. Yes, Blaine.
I also have another way to solve it. I don't know why. Anyone has not guessed this yet. Where's the skeleton? Dang it.
So, Blaine, skeleton. Will you explain a little bit more? And then all of you that were in agreement with Blaine on skeleton, you can add to his comments. Blaine, skeleton.
So, my camera is on, so it's kind of hard to explain in words.
You got it. I like the way that we're watching to learn from each other. We're having eyes up here. While he's drawing that, if you show me if you kind of agree with this as a strategy, then you kind of so you know what he's doing. And if you don't agree or you're not sure, you can just kind of actually do this. This way, if you're not sure. Just want to kind of see if you guys are understanding what he is like. You're up here. Why don't you explain it?
So, since there's one this side, so I can make this 1 helps to the 10 and make it a 2 instead. And here's the 10, and 10 times 2 is 20. So that's where I got this is 20.
Okay.
And then the 10 I got from right here because everybody knows that 2 times 5 is 10. So because this is 2 down, then 5 across, so that's 10. And then I added it together, which equals 30.
Blaine? Thank you, sir. If you have anything you want to add to that, or restate what Blaine said, this would be a great opportunity. I also see some different ideas up there. Yes, Blaine? You could do the standard algorithm, like Safra did. Okay, so that's one way to do it. I'm gonna write Blaine's name right here. Does everybody feel like they should restate and re-explain Blaine's work here? Lauren? Okay. An area model?
That was the second idea. So right here, let's do a rectangle.
Big rectangle. Tell me when, is that good enough? Okay.
And then you just go up.
Should I draw up?
Not a ton.
Less than this, or the same? What's that?
And then you drop
complete.
it.
Complete it. Okay.
So then you label one side. So the shorter side you label 2.
So I'll put a 2 right here.
And then the bigger side you label
draw a line in between going horizontally.
And then you know that 2 times 10 equals 20. So you write the 20 in the middle.
Right here.
And then you do the 2 times 5, which equals 10. So you write the 10 in the middle of the 2 times 5.
Okay.
And then you add 20 plus 10 on the other side.
So if I take these and I add them. Agreement with Lauren? Jesus? Do you disagree with Lauren? Is that a way to visually show 2 times 15? What I'd like you guys to do, we have some lots of good examples here. We're going to keep moving, but before we do, I want you to talk about which way do you think is your favorite way to visually show 2 times 15 equals 30. Which one of these is your favorite way and why? So talk with your table, and then I'm going to call on you to explain which one is your favorite way.
I think that's like the I actually think I like
Okay. If you have at least one thing to share with the group, show me one. If you have more than that, you can show me a different thoughts to share about which way and why. I don't see, some of us don't have any, so I'm going to come back to you, so listen carefully to the others so that you can be ready to share also. Okay, Rocco? You're ready. Alright. 5 ways, Chloe? Pick one of them. What is one thought that you want to share? I don't know. Rocco, could you